In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Docs in Google Classroom. This is a handy skill for students and educators alike, as it allows you to seamlessly manage your assignments and collaborate efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Classroom and log in with your Google account. It's important to make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts for personal and educational purposes. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Classroom dashboard, where you'll see all your classes listed. Next, click on the class that houses the assignment you need to work on. This will bring up all the class announcements, materials, and assignments. You can think of this as your virtual classroom hub, where everything is organized. Once you're in the correct class, navigate to the Classwork tab. This is where you'll find all your assignments neatly categorized. Scan through the list of assignments to find the one that's been shared in Google Docs format. Click on the assignment to open it. If your teacher has provided specific instructions or attachments, they'll also be visible here, giving you all the context you need to proceed with your work. After you click on the assignment, the document will open directly in Google Docs. Google Docs is a powerful tool that allows real-time collaboration and editing, making it perfect for classroom settings. Now, you can make your edits directly in the document. Whether it's adding information, correcting mistakes, or commenting on specific sections, you're free to make any necessary changes. One of the great features of Google Docs is its auto-save function. As soon as you make an edit, it's saved in your Google Drive, ensuring that you never lose your progress. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to submit your work. Head back to the assignment page in Google Classroom. You can do this by simply clicking on the tab at the top of your browser if you open the document in a new tab, or by using the back button. On the assignment page, you'll see a button labeled Turn In. Click on this button to submit your completed assignment. This notifies your teacher that your work is done and ready for review. And that's it. You've successfully edited a Google Doc in Google Classroom and turned it in. This process streamlines assignment management and ensures that everything is kept in one place, making it easier for both students and teachers to track progress and maintain organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.